upgraded website called the Business Builder website, and that will replace the site you have now if you choose to upgrade to the new package. What we've also done, and we really want you to understand, is we've also built the Team Builder website, which is what you're looking at right now on my screen. That is a totally standalone website that, while it is integrated into your business builder, your basic real estate website for your home buyers and sellers, it is linked to that, but it's also on a different domain. That allows us to completely keep these separate in such a way that we want to encourage you to have custom domains for each of those sites. And this will give you a very powerful way to do your prospecting and recruiting by directing agents directly to the website you're looking at right now. So with that in mind, there's a strategy behind all of this. And what you're looking at is the home screen. What you're not seeing, and I won't show you right now because it doesn't translate well over this kind of a platform with a webinar system, but that home page you're looking at is the culmination of a flash presentation that draws the viewer in. And if you want to write down this address, if you haven't got this or seen it, you can go to my demo site, which is jointeamconnect.com, and you can see how that flash site works. And you'll be able to see that whenever you have when you want to take a moment to do that. But let's discuss this home page. What you'll notice is that we've designed the site to be basically a step-by-step process to help an agent through our system, page by page, to learn about Connect. You've got the home page, which has the flash introduction. It's got the the throbbing link right here to see how it works. The other part of this that's so exciting is that on this lower banner, it's called a media slider, is what we call this. You have got the ability to have up to 5 videos displayed that the user can use, and they can actually toggle through those. You should be seeing that right there. This video is the streaming DVD that we've had for the past year now, and that is on the system. This particular one that I'm showing you now on the banner is actually the introduction to the DVD by our CEO, David Bodner. One of the things we want you to be mindful of is that over the coming months, we're going to do our best to make it available to you to produce your own video to introduce your site, to introduce agents to your site. And you're going to want to use about probably a 30-second video, but we're going to give you the means to create that. We'll upload it, we'll host it on there, and you'll be able to really put your own face on this, your own stamp on it. We will also build a library of various videos that would be appropriate for the site, and we'll give you the ability to choose those as they are added. Now, that's an upcoming feature. It's not available yet, but just know that that's where we are with this strategy, so that you can have a library of videos that people can look at. The next step is that it goes to the How It Works page. And again, as you look at this, it's all about making a basic comparison between the traditional brokerages, the brick and mortar around us, and the Connect process, the Connect platform. So as I scroll down on this, you'll notice that we've taken some fundamental differences, pricing comparisons, and the way things work, and we've made it very graphic so that somebody can see what we're all about. That's the first step in the process of learning more. I also want to point your attention to something that Randy already kind of bridged on a bit, but now we're doing it with your website, and this is also on your home buyer and seller site, the business builder site. We've got a texting widget on this screen right here, and you'll see that it says send John a text message. We understand, looking at the metrics of the internet right now, that you've got about 12 minutes to get back to a potential client on the internet if you really want to be in the running for their business. And that's so important to you and I when we look at the number of home buyers and sellers using the internet to start their real estate process. So the texting message will go straight to your cell phone. You can provision that in your website ads. If you truly don't want to do it, it doesn't have to even show. That's one of the things about this. We're not going to put you in a spot where it doesn't function because you haven't done it. You have to provision it with your phone number and your provider, and then the message